Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download Paybis wallet in your mobile phone. Keep watching the video without skipping and don't forget to subscribe our channel by hitting the subscribe button and also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss any videos from us. Let's begin the video. In order to download Paybis wallet, open a Play Store. Since I'm an Android user, so I'm opening Play Store. If you are iPhone user, then tap open App Store and here in the search box type in Paybis wallet. You can easily find this application. Now tap the install button. While installing or downloading the application, make sure to have a stable internet connection. Paybis is a cryptocurrency industry located in the United Kingdom. It is a cryptocurrency exchange that offers a wide range of payment options for trading Bitcoin as well as other cryptocurrencies. Paybis is an online cryptocurrency exchange offering a simple, safe and affordable way to buy Bitcoin with a debit card and other payments. To know more about this application, you can see the ratings and reviews as well. You can also see the description of the application. And once the app gets installed, tap the open button. In order to use this application, you have to sign in your account. After that, you can easily use this application. So in this way, you can quickly download Paybis wallet in your mobile phone. I hope you found the video useful. If you do so, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. If you have any feedbacks or comments, you can comment down in the comment section below. I'll be back soon with another video. Till then, keep watching. Bye bye.